Hello kids, in this video we will learn good habits. Wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take a bath every day. Exercise regularly. Always wear clean clothes. Arrange your things. Eat healthy food. Drink a lot of water. Pray to God. Be on time for school. Do your homework regularly. Read books regularly. Go and play to refresh yourself. Cover your mouth when you sneeze. Wash your hands before and after meals. Save your pocket money. Do your work yourself. Cross the road only at zebra crossing. From a queue to board the school bus. Go to bed early at night. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.